Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Okay, so this is my first time using YouTube stream live. Okay, can you see the slide? Okay, so today we're going to learn about energy. Okay. Yeah, hello. Okay. Okay, we're going to learn about energy. Uh, what is energy? Okay, energy is the meaning is the ability to do work. Okay, SI unit for energy is joule. Okay, symbol capital J. Okay. Okay, hello. Okay, please. Okay, if you cannot hear or anything, just write down. Okay. Okay, there are various of energy. Okay, example, okay, people use energy to run. Okay, plants need energy from the sun to continue living. Okay, cars need energy from fuel to move. Okay, light from the bulb, okay, is produced by energy. Okay. Okay. I think there's still some more students that haven't entered the class. Maybe they are in the Google Meet. Okay, I have changed my class to YouTube. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, next slide is okay, forms of energy. Okay, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can exist in various forms. Okay, example, sound energy, kinetic energy, electrical energy, okay, gravitational energy, gravitational and potential because it's potential to drop. Okay, elastic and potential because it can move forward. Elastic, okay, the string, elastic potential. Okay, nuclear energy, okay, light energy, heat energy and chemical energy. Chemical energy, energy stored in food. Okay. So actually you have learned about the forms of energy in primary school. So this is just, it's like a revision. Okay. I would like to invite a guest. Would someone want to be inside the channel with me? Okay. Okay, I want at least 2 students. Okay, if you want to be in the channel, okay, you want to be my guest. Okay. Okay, you can okay, you can go into the link given there at the comment. Okay, I'll try my best. Okay, so anyone who wants to be a guest with me in my channel here, ada tak? Anyone? Okay, I want you to answer some questions only. Okay, kalau tak ada, okay, tak apa. So we'll continue. Guess. Yes. You'll be on the screen. You'll be on the screen with me. Ada tak? Just for a while to answer some questions. Ah, okay. Anyone? Okay, tak apa. Kita continue. Uh, no, it's just trying. This is my first time going live, so I don't know what it's going to be. Okay, anyone? You just enter the link and then you'll be on the screen with me. Okay. Uh, okay. We'll look at the next slide. Okay. Can you tell me what energy? Right at the comment. Okay, what energy? What type of energy? Okay, so here's the clues. Okay, forms of energy. Okay, sound, kinetic, electrical, nuclear, light, heat, chemical. Okay, so the first picture. Can anyone tell me what kind of energy? Yes, okay, Nasha. Okay, Nasha says it's kinetic energy. Okay. Okay, Adli, kinetic, not so sure. Okay, so it's kinetic energy. Okay, let's look at the next picture. Okay, what kind of energy is this? Okay, can anyone answer? Okay, I need answers from you. What kind of energy? Okay. Okay, Adli. It's elastic potential. Okay, let's try. Elastic potential. Okay, ramai elastic potential Nasha. Okay. So the answer is elastic potential. Okay, correct. Okay, what kind of energy is this? Okay, laptop. Which energy? Which energy? Which energy would the laptop be? Can anyone tell me? Okay, I need some answers. Okay, if you want to be a guest, you can try to enter the link I have given, and then I'll try to put up your picture, and then you can answer the question with me. I'll show the picture and you answer with me. Okay. Adam Sharil, is it electrical? Yes, it's electrical energy laptop. Okay. Okay. Sharifa Alia. Okay, electrical. Yes, electrical. Correct. Okay. Good. I have two answers. Okay, now let's look at the next picture. Okay, which energy is this? What kind of energy will be produced by the guitar? Okay, can anyone tell me? Okay, when you prick the guitar, what energy is produced? Which energy? Okay, which energy is produced? Okay, Adli again. Okay, sound. I mean Adam. Is it Adam? Okay, sound. Adli, sound. Okay. Nabila, sound. Okay. Nuha. Okay, sound. Okay. Okay. So yes, it's sound energy. Okay, and then okay, let's look at the next slide. Okay, so sources of energy, there is sun, geothermal, water, biomass, fossil fuel, radioactive, wave, and wind. Okay, so this is example of sources of energy. Okay, so we look at renewable energy. Renewable energy example wind, okay, solar, hydro, biomass, and geothermal. Okay, so renewable energy means it will not finish. Okay, it will be continuous. Okay, wind. Okay, there's always wind. Okay, sun. Okay, and then dam can produce hydro. Okay, biomass from trees. Okay, actually some say that biomass is non-renewable. Okay, but some says it's renewable, but we'll stick to renewable. Okay, geothermal is from under the earth, heat. Okay, it's like hot water. Okay, and then we have non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy example from oil, natural gas, okay, using for cooking, coal, okay, radioactive substance is also considered as non-renewable energy. Example, uranium, plutonium, okay, is usually used at nuclear plant to produce electricity. Okay, um, okay, that's all for the first slide. Okay, and then I'm going to continue to the second slide. Okay, wait, I have to close this one. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, so we're going into the second slide. Um, let's look at the second slide. Okay, so the second slide, okay, it's about electrostatic charges. Okay, electrostatic charges. Okay, so electrostatic charges are electric shock. Is there electric shock when you touch a grocery trolley? Okay, so the grocery trolley, sometimes when you touch the metal parts or maybe the doorknob, okay, you will feel like electric charges. Have you ever felt something like that? Okay, when you touch something that is metal. Okay, okay, transfer of electric charges between our body and the trolley, that is static. Okay, static electric charges. Okay, these static charges are known as electrostatic charges. Okay, let's continue. Okay, what are electrostatic charges? Okay, electric charges consist of positive charges, proton, negative charges, electron. Okay, so the positive, if it's positive and positive, it will, same charges will repel each other. Dia takkan rapat, dia akan separate. Okay, but opposite charges will attract. Okay, negative and negative repel, positive, negative attract. So attraction and repulsion between the electric charges are known as electrostatic charges. Okay, so electrostatic charges, when two different types of objects are rubbed together, okay, only the electrons are transferred from one object to the other. Okay, proton do not move. Okay, the proton do not move. Object that has equal number of proton and electron is considered as neutral. Okay, object that gains electron are negatively charged. Okay, object that lose electron are positively charged. Okay, so this is neutral. If it's positive and negative together, amount is neutral. Okay, if more negative than positive, it's negatively charged. Okay, and then if more positive than negative, it's positively charged. Mm. Okay, so we'll look at example. Okay, electrostatic charges. Okay, a cloth. Okay, so when we rub to a comb, okay, the comb before is neutral. It has equal number of positive and negative. Okay, so when we rub the comb, okay, what will happen is, okay, the comb rub with woolen clothes gain electrons, okay, and become negatively charged. Okay, so when after we rub the comb, more negative charge, okay, is on the comb. So it will attract the positive charge from the shredded paper to go near the comb. Okay, the comb attract the piece of paper because of the force of attraction. Okay, so that exists between the positive charge paper and the negative charge comb. Okay, so when we rub the woolen cloth on the comb, okay, all the positive charges will go to the cloth and the negative charge will stay at the comb. So it will attract the positive charge from the piece of paper. Okay. So we look at the next slide. Wait, I have to stop sharing first. Okay, wait. I'll share again. Share screen. Okay, window. Okay, I want you to look at the slide. Okay, because we're not in school, so we cannot do the experiment.
Hai semua, pernah tak masa kecil-kecil dulu main gosok-gosok pembaris lepas tu letak kat kertas? Tapi sebelum tu jangan lupa follow dan subscribe channel Cikgu Helmi untuk lebih banyak video yang bermanfaat. Untuk aktiviti ni mudah saja, dapatkan sekeping kertas, lepas tu koyak-koyakkan sikit jadi cebisan yang kecil. Lepas tu kita gunakan pembaris untuk gosok berulang kali dekat rambut dan kita letakkan dekat dengan cebisan kertas tadi. Nampak tak apa yang berlaku? Sebenarnya yang berlaku adalah kewujudan daya elektrostatik, iaitu daya tarikan dan daya tolakan antara cas elektrik. Iaitu apabila dua bahan yang berlainan jenis digosok bersama, maka elektron yang dipindahkan daripada satu bahan ke bahan yang lain, manakala proton pula tak bergerak. Jadi bahan yang menerima elektron akan bercas negatif dan bahan yang kehilangan elektron akan bercas positif. Okey, sampai jumpa lagi. Bye.
Okay, did you see the video just now? Can you hear it clearly? Okay, can anyone answer at the comment? Okay, can you hear the video just now? Anything? Okay, it's about the electrostatic charges. Okay. So we'll look at please open your workbook, SPS workbook. Okay, open your workbook. Yeah. Okay. This one I need to stop sharing. Okay. Can you please open your workbook to chapter 7? Chapter 7. Do you have your workbook with you? Okay, let's look at the 7.1. Okay, 7.1. Okay, have you answered it? Have you tried to answer the 7.1? Okay, let's look at your workbook. 7.1 A. Okay, stored in an object due to its high position. Can anyone answer? Okay, can anyone answer? Because of high position. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, so it would be what? The gravitational, gravitational. Uh, okay, so it's the gravitational potential energy. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 1B. Okay, stored in an object that is compressed, stretched, or bent. So this is elastic potential energy. Okay, found in moving objects, like the car. Okay, kinetic energy. Okay, produced by electrical charges, moving through a conductor. Okay, electrical charges, electrical energy. Okay, increased temperature of an object causes to feel hot. Okay, it's heat energy. Okay, stored in substance that can be burned, food or chemical substance. This is chemical energy. Chemical energy. Able us to see object in the dark. Light energy. Produced by vibrating object. Okay, sound energy. Stored in the nuclei of radioactive atom. Okay, nuclear energy. Okay, have you written the answers? Okay, this is for 7.1. Okay, can we move down? Okay, moving down. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, so for B, match the information to the correct source of energy. You have to match. So, petroleum, natural gas, coal, that is fossil fuel. Okay, generate hydro electric energy, water. Okay. Produce heat and light energy, the sun. Okay, heat from inside the earth, geothermal. Okay, water from underneath the earth. Okay, moving air that generates electricity. Moving air, wind. Moving sea water that generates electrical energy, waves. Okay, animal feces and plants material. Okay, biomass. Produce nuclear energy. This is radioactive substances. Okay. So let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Okay. So before we go to the next one, we look at an experiment. Wait. Okay, stop sharing. Need to go to another slide. Okay, share. Share. Okay. So we're going to continue this one. Okay, we look at electroscope. Okay, electroscope is a device used to detect the existence of electric charge of an object. So if it's natural, so the gold leaf does not diverge. But if it's positively charged, okay, it will diverge or negatively charged. Positive or negative, the gold leaf, okay, will repel because of the same charges, so it will repel. But if it's neutral, then it will not repel. Okay, so we look at the next
Jom
slide.
kita buat amali elektroskop. Elektroskop ialah alat yang digunakan untuk mengesan kewujudan cas elektrik pada suatu objek. Ianya terdiri daripada cepi logam, penebat dan kerajang emas. Bahan yang diperlukan untuk menjalankan eksperimen elektroskop ialah sebuah elektroskop, kain bulu dan juga pembaris plastik. Sekarang kita gosokkan pembaris dengan kain bulu. Okey, kita gosokkan lama-lama, kemudian kita dekatkan pada elektroskop. Kita lihat apa yang terjadi. Apabila cikgu dekatkan pembaris plastik ke cepi logam, apa yang berlaku kepada kerajang emas di bawah itu? Kamu boleh lihat kerajang emas mencapah. Semakin jauh pencapahan kerajang emas, semakin banyak kuantiti cas elektrik yang terkumpul.
Cikgu, macam mana kerajaan emas ni boleh mencapah? Tak sabar saya nak catat ni.
Apabila pembaris digosok dengan kain bulu, pembaris menerima elektron daripada kain bulu dan pembaris akan bercas negatif. Apabila pembaris yang bercas negatif didekatkan dengan elektroskop yang neutral, elektron pada cepi logam bergerak turun ke kerajang emas. Ini kerana elektron yang bercas negatif pada cepi logam menolak cas negatif pada pembaris. Ini menyebabkan cas negatif berlebihan pada kerajang emas. Cas yang sama jenis iaitu cas negatif saling menolak antara satu sama lain dan menyebabkan kerajang emas mencapah. Sekarang cikgu nak tanya pelajar, apakah yang berlaku kepada kerajang emas apabila jalur yang bercas positif didekatkan pada elektroskop yang bercas neutral? Apabila jalur bercas positif didekatkan dengan elektroskop yang bercas neutral, elektron dari kerajang emas tertarik ke atas kerana tertarik dengan cas positif pada jalur tersebut. Maka meninggalkan banyak cas positif di bahagian kerajang emas. Cas yang sama akan menolak dan kerajang emas akan mencapah. Sekarang cikgu mahu kamu jawab soalan kebat. Mengapakah konduktor kilat dipasang pada bangunan? Teruskan belajar. InsyaAllah kita jumpa lagi.
Okay. Okay, so just now we look at the experiment on electroscope, right? Okay. So let's continue to the workbook. Okay, let's look at your workbook. Okay, what happens when okay, small bits of paper, okay, and an empty aluminium, okay, and a fine stream of water, okay, they can be attracted to the okay, balloon. Okay, first a balloon is rubbed with the woolen cloth, so the balloon will become negatively charged, or the positive charge will go to the woolen cloth, and then dia kata hold the balloon near small bits of paper. So we put it near the small bits of paper, so the paper will go to the balloon. Okay, and then if you put the balloon near the aluminium can, it will move towards the balloon. Okay, same with if we put water into a polystyrene cup, and then we put the balloon that is rubbed near the water, the flow of the water here. Okay, the water will move towards the balloon. Okay. Okay, so this concept is the same concept using the electroscope. Okay, if we rub the balloon and then we put it near the electroscope, so the gold leaf, it will repel. It will diverge. So the gold leaf of the electroscope diverge. So what are the electrostatic charges? Okay, so electrostatic charges that do not move. Okay, electrical static charges does not move. Okay, what are the charges that are produced on the balloon after it is rubbed with the wooden cloth? Okay, charges produced by the balloon are electrostatic charges. Okay. Type of electric charges are positive charge and negative charge. Tick what happened to the plastic ruler after it is rubbed with the wooden cloth. Okay, so there is a transfer of electrons. Okay, number 5, what is the use of an electroscope? To detect the electrostatic charges. Okay, example. Choose the correct answer for the type of charge gained when the cloth and the ruler below are rubbed together. So when we rub the cloth and the ruler, okay, what will happen is the cloth will lose the electron to the ruler. Okay, so the cloth is charged positive because it has excess of proton or positive charges. Okay, what will happen to the ruler? The ruler will receive the electron from the cloth. Okay, so now the ruler is negative because it has excess means extra more electrons or negative charges. So after we rub, all the positive will go to the cloth, okay, and the negative will be remain at the ruler. Okay. The same charges repel, okay, while different charges attract to one another. Okay, if it's the same charges, it will repel, but if it's different charges, it will attract. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Okay. The diagram below shows an electroscope work. Choose the correct words. Okay, so when we put the natural rod, okay, so the gold leaf does not diverge because this is neutral. Okay, it's not rubbed. Okay, this is because the positive and negative charges will attract each other. Okay, so the charges here, they attract. Okay, nothing happens. But if we put a positive rod or a negative rod near the electroscope, what will happen is, okay, here the gold leaf will diverge because the same charges repel each other. Okay, okay, so positive and positive is so example, combing hair during a hot day or ironing nylon clothes. Okay, so conclusion, electrostatic charges are produced on object by friction. It has to have friction, then it can happen. Okay, so we're going to the last part. Okay, last part. Stop sharing. Okay, we're going to the last part. Electrostatic. Share screen. Okay, a window. Okay, so we look at the next slide. Okay, so example of electrostatic charges in our daily life. So the upper part of the cloud is positively charged, bottom part is negatively charged. Okay, there will be a friction between the clouds and the air, which causes the clouds to be charged. The negative charge in the clouds are attracted to the positive charge on the surface of the earth. Okay, so lightning is result to the force of attraction that exists between the positive charge. Here, the earth has a more positive charge on the ground and the negative charge in the clouds. Okay, so the bottom part of the cloud is negative. Okay, and then the earth surface is positive. Okay, so it will attract one another, which cause lightning to produce. Okay, go to the next slide. Okay, example of electrostatic in our daily life. Okay, there is lightning conductor on top of buildings. Okay, ada macam pole. Okay, on top of high tower like KLCC Twin Tower or any high buildings or menara. It has to have a lightning tower. Okay, what is the function of the lightning tower? Lightning tower conductor is installed at buildings, so it will provide a path for the electric charges to flow to the ground. Okay, so there is a path from the pole to the ground. Okay, this method protect the building from being struck by the lightning. So when there's lightning, the building will not be struck. Okay, it will go to the lightning conductor and go to the earth. Okay. Solving life problem involve electrostatic. So TV screen become dusty very quickly because the negative charge on the dust are attracted to the positive charge on the TV screen. If you can see your television after 1 month, there will be lots of dust. Okay, so we use a microfiber cloth. Okay, it will attract, okay, the dust Okay, and then it will remove the dust. Okay, okay, so finish. Okay, let's look at your workbook. Continue the workbook. Share. Okay, the last part. Okay, let's look at your workbook. Are you still with me? Are you still with me in class? Okay, I'm still teaching. Okay, let's look. Uh, okay. Phenomena related to the electrostatics. Okay. So, you see here, this is the thing I'm telling you about. Okay, it will attract the lightning. Okay, and then it will go flow to the ground. Okay, this is a lightning conductor. Okay, where's the English part? Okay. So clouds are charged, okay, when the water vapor in them rub with the air particles. So in the clouds there is water vapor, and then it will rub with the air particles. Okay, so when the negative charge cloud move closer to another, okay, clouds, wait, when the negative charge cloud move closer to another cloud, okay, or to the earth surface that has an opposite charge, okay, example, okay, the clouds, the top side is positive, the below side will be negative because it is rubbed between the water vapor and the air particles. Okay, so and then the below part, which is negative, it is attracted to the surface of the earth, which is positive. It's opposite charge. So the negative charge will jump from one another cloud to another or to the ground. So the opposite charge, positive, negative, it will go to the ground or to other clouds. Okay, lightning is produced. Okay, lightning conductors that are fixed at the top of the building will allow the charges of electron of the lightning to flow to the earth and reduce the risk of buildings from being struck by the lightning. Okay, if you don't have the lightning conductor, okay, the lightning, it will strike anywhere, so we don't want that to happen, or else maybe the building, the windows, okay, will crack. So because of the lightning, so that's why we have the lightning conductor on top of high building, so it will collect the electric current, and then it will flow to the earth, direct to the earth. Okay, so that's the function of the lightning conductors. Okay, to attract the negative charge from the clouds to the positive charge at the ground. Okay, number two. Okay, we look at the petrol tanker becomes charged with electrostatic charges as it moves and rubs with the air. Okay, a rubber tire prevent the charges from flowing to the earth. Okay, therefore, a metal chain, okay, is fixed to the tanker to allow the charges to flow to the earth as it touches the road and prevents spark, okay, that can cause a fire from being produced. Okay, um if you look at the oil tanker, at the back of the oil tanker there is a metal chain, okay, attached. Okay, so the metal chain, uh it has a function. Okay, the metal chain function is to prevent from spark, maybe okay, from happening, or else the tank will explode lah. Dia akan terbakar. Okay, dia carry oil kan. Okay, it cannot have any source of heat. So because of the metal chain, okay, it will flow the charges, okay, to the earth. Okay, so the negative charge will flow to the positive charge on the earth. Okay, the tires they are wait okay, uh okay, tires are rubber tires, so they prevent the charges from flowing to the earth. Okay, so the rubber tire, okay, it does not allow the uh, energy, okay, from the charges from the tank to flow to the earth. So that's why it needs metal. Okay, metal chain. Okay, metal chain. Okay. Uh, okay, so that's all. Wait, stop sharing. Okay. Okay, now I want you to answer quiz. Okay, wait, Okay, look at the comment part. Okay, okay, if you join this link, myquizzes.com, okay, okay, and then enter the, okay, enter the code. Enter the code, which is 180775. Okay, 180775. 180775. Okay. Okay, if you join the link, okay, enter the code 180775. Okay, I'm going to start a quiz. Okay. So it's going to be an live quiz. Okay, you have to enter now because once I start the quizzes and then you cannot enter. Okay, enter the link. Join my quizzes. .com. Okay, nine people have entered. Okay, if I press the start button, then it will start. Because this is the live quiz. Okay. Okay, I'll give a few more minutes. Okay, kita tunggu sekejap, your friends. Okay, cepat. Okay, anyone lagi nak masuk? Kita ada 15 orang, 15 people. Okay. Okay, ada lagi tak yang nak join? Okay, this will be a live quizzes Okay, 18, 19. Okay, I'll start the quiz Boleh? I'll start the quiz. Okay, ada lagi tak yang nak join? Okay, start. Okay, we look at question number 1. What is energy? Okay, number 2. Number 2 is, okay, two like charges. What will happen? Okay, 6 got correct, 7 got correct. The charge of electron is, the electron is what? Negative, positive? Okay, an atom loses an electron. What type of charges does it have? Okay, an atom gain electron. What charges does it have now? Okay, what kind of energy? Moving skateboard. Potential or kinetic? Okay, how can it be explained that someone's hair is stick to a balloon? Okay, video gaming system like Xbox and PlayStation TV needs to be plugged. So which type of energy? Okay, which provide power? Okay, what kind of energy is represented by the picture? Okay, food. Food is what kind of energy? Okay, when the balloon is rubbed with cloth, okay, it requires a charge. Okay. Which of the following instrument can detect electric charges? Okay, a plastic rod wrapped with a piece of woolen cloth will become what? Okay, only the top 5, okay, will be shown. Okay, 12 out of 22 done. Okay, so we have 22 participants. Okay, 12 students have done. Okay. I think the top 5 remains. Okay, but we wait for our friends. Okay, finish. Okay, accuracy. Okay. More correct than wrong. Okay, mostly got the question correct. Most of the students got the question correct. Okay. Okay, kita wait a few more students. 19 out of 22. Ada yang belum finish. Okay, 2 more students. Ada yang tengah main lagi. Okay, kita tunggu. Okay, I'll stop the game. Okay. Okay, first is Nadira, second is Nuha, and third is Adli. Okay, congrats to all. Okay, first is Nadira, second Nuha, Adli, Afifah, and then Faiz Shazwan, Azwa. Okay, Alif, Ashraf. Okay, wow. Okay. Okay. Did you enjoy playing the game? Okay, so it's almost time. Okay, so we have been on this channel for about live for 59 minutes already. So thank you all. Okay, thanks. Okay, thank you for being in my class. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. Okay, bye.